the dates been given for your internal exam? Comments? I'm seeing the thing here. Let me make sure I see your chat window. Excellent. How many people are there? Let me check that before we start the class. In the meantime, I can take questions. There is Jntuk Moocs and there is Jntuk Vijayanagar. Two people join. So while we are waiting for others, we have an hour for today. Not on education, but on leadership, right? All the students who are attending, you are all tomorrow's future leaders, right? Abdul Kalam or good way to take a little more than a share of the brain, and the two less than a share of the credit. So remember that as you grow to be entrepreneurs, leaders, professors, scientists, whatever you become. While we are waiting, we'll just give a couple of minutes for others to join. Why don't you just see what this is doing? Because if you look at the graph now, the graph is including pointers, right? The node is including all of these three pointers, right? So I do not know how well you know pointers, right? Because I didn't teach you programming. I assume you know that. But then there is in the examples that we considered last week, we have actually pointed to pointer too. Okay, so it may be teaching there's no pointers or was it a big bouncer over your head? So, and that was just after the small comment device while we are waiting for a couple of more comments to join. So, you see that when the integer variable equal to 20, so that one everyone understands. So on the second line, that is a pointer declaration, right? So IP is a pointer, and whenever you declare a pointer, you need to show it to the type, what is the data type to which you can point to. So in this case, of course, it is pointing to integer. And we all know what a pointer is, right? Pointer is nothing but an address. Right? That's what pointer is. So, IP gets address of the variable because IP the pointer and it contains the value of the pointer address. So, what we are doing here is we are saying, hey, wherever the variable var is, the address of that var, the ampersand represents the address. So you are showing the address of IP there. So in memory, how does it look in memory? If you have a memory location, so how do I draw a stack here? I can draw a table, right? I do a table like this. So this is memory here. So if I put, let's say, this is, let's say, var. So when we declare a variable, it's allocated some memory thing, right? So let's call this address the people that have the text box here. Actually, I can, yeah. Okay. So that address is 1. And then you have preliminary address 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? And then, and then you are assigning, you equal to 20, so the value gets saved there, right? And then the next one compiler sees IP. Let's say IP is somewhere here. You have given the address there, right? So, the main location is, let's say, 3. Let's change this one. Not a one change for a moment. One, memory location 1, memory location 2, memory location 3, memory location 4, and so on. So let's assume when you declare var, a var is stored in memory location 1. Okay, the value you are giving is 20. And when they run the declaration of IP, okay, so let's say it is stored in here. Okay. Just IP. Okay. But then you look at the assignment here, so it's still storing the address of var. Where the address of var is 1. So the IP value is 1. That's what pointers. Pointers contain the addresses. So that ampersand 1 is address. So when you declare, when you think the address of var, what is getting printed there? It's printing memory location. Oh my God. Just sorry for saying, today is holiday due to one for private colleges. Oh my God. Terrible, right? We have midterm coming up. And would they still have midterm or internal exam next week? Okay, let me finish the example and we'll worry about the one, okay? So somebody put in the chat here, print the address of var. So when you do that one, what are we printing there? Printing 100 maybe? No. We are printing 1, right? Because address of var is stored in address location 1. So it's going to print 1. I'm putting in the chat, correct? And then, when you do print the IP, what is printing? The same thing, they contain the address, so it's going to print 1 again. Right? Because that's what we are doing. That's whatever the value stored in IP. Value stored in IP is 1. Okay. Now, if you print a star IP, what does it mean? That is a pointer D reference, right? So, now star IP means its IP, wherever IP is pointing to, is saying get the value that it. Star says, whatever the value in the address location given. So, the third statement then basically gives you the value 30. Is that pretty easy, right? I can see Jntuk Moocs people show of hands if you understand a simple example. Is there anyone who doesn't understand that? you have written one, if you have taken C programming and you know pointers, then this is what it is. Now, there are people who think so around the idea that you don't know it, right? Or you forgot. Now, if you forgot or you don't know it, don't worry, okay? I keep forgetting pointers every single time. It's one of the most, it's one of those things where it's easy to forget. Now, this part is the easy part, right? Now, what about in the example I showed you, pointer to a pointer. That means it will look something like, I take integer, I say star, integer pointer. Not just one star, but two stars. Anyone knows what two stars, how conceptually how it looks like? Well, I don't think they into video. There's nobody, the fund is only for private colleges or JNTU also included in that. So, any student there, I see a whole bunch of bright students in JNTU Kakinada, right? JNTU, I can't see videos, I don't know the students are there or not. Is there anyone who can explain to me what pointer is out there? Let me ask you this one. Raise your hand if you know what a pointer is. Okay. Let me reverse the question. Raise your hand if you do not know what a pointer is. You can keep your hand down for both the questions, right? For one of them, you need to raise the hand. So, the man in the white shirt, I'm going to point directly there. The man in the white shirt, JNTU Kakinada. Do you know what a pointer is? If you do not know, raise your hand. I'm pointing at you, young man, white shirt, glasses, handsome guy. That's the only place you know. Do you know what pointer is? If you shake your head, I don't know. So if you, how about this one? Raise your hand if you do not know it. Okay, now raise your hand if you know it. Now they were in the book. Okay. You know, that's brilliant. Okay, now I'm seeing some picture from JNTU. Now, today's class will be a disaster, right? Because there is nobody there. And we have students that you have to cover, right? You have to tell me whether I should proceed with the lecture or should I postpone the lecture and let our coordinator reschedule the lecture. JNTU, just show of hands, I can see your picture there. You guys know what pointer is. If you don't, raise your hand. I did not see a single student raising the hand. So now I reverse the question. If you do not know, raise your hand. Pointer. Okay. One student raised the hand. By the way, don't be shy if you don't know it. There are 99% of the things in the world I do not know. So, pointer is something I don't appreciate, by the way. Even I can tell you that I do not know. I can actually tell on my video. Okay, I'm ready to send video. I'm sending video. So if I have to raise a hand, if I do not know pointer, I'll be very happy to raise the hand. Okay. It's just one of those three idiosyncrasies. They give some justification as to why we need it. Most of the justification happens when you have traversing linked list and you have to change the pointers in the linked list. Let's say you have to reverse a list, for example. So it's kind of like what it really means conceptually. While we are waiting, I will draw some boxes. So, have one box here, like that. Okay. Let me duplicate the same thing here 2 times. You are seeing my screen, right? So, here is an example of a pointer. So you have this is a pointer, and what it would have is address, this is address, and here you will have some value. So first pointer is basically going to show you, it's going to point you to the location, okay, like that. Okay, and then the second pointer, this is what the concept is. So the first address is the star. So this star, this middle one address, that is the star. So if you dereference that one, it will give you the value. The second pointer is this one. So what it's going to show you is the address of this one. So if you say pointer to a pointer, that's the first box. So it's going to contain the address of this pointer, which in turn points to the actual value. That's what pointer to a pointer is. So why do you need pointer to pointer? When you are doing a linked list, right? Remember we have this head, next, previous. So those values keep changing right here. So since those values keep changing, we need another variable to capture those values, those addresses. So dynamically we are changing addresses. So that's another way of looking at it. Where there is dynamic memory allocation, there is pointer to a pointer. Because the address keeps changing. Every time you do a dynamic memory allocation, the address is changing, right? We all know that. So to keep track of the addresses in some variable means pointer to pointer. Now, understand it's all theory. Unless you practice a lot with pointers to pointers, you will not appreciate it. Okay? So if you are a little bit rustic in terms of the knowledge around pointers to pointers, you may want to just kind of refresh up a little bit. Okay? Okay, now let me see chat. If somebody put anything in chat or not fun. Okay. So, Jntuk priority, yes sir. Yes sir means should I not do the class or should I do the class? Okay. Should I do the class? I will see you now. So one for yes and 0 for no. We will copy the programming there. Okay. Jntuk at one you can type 1 for yes, 0 for no. And Jntuk you can also type. Okay, Jntuk at another give me an answer. What about Jntuk you can type 1 or 0. I hope somebody from Jntuk you can type. The keyboard you can type. Should take those many seconds. Please type. The instructions here. Type. Jntuk will coordinate a program and type chain the plan. Reload and one run. That way I would know. Majority wins. Come on. You should type first. Should take this much time. I directly should we have a class or not? Students will tell me. Do you want the class? Raise your hands. That might be faster. Do you want the class? Raise your hands. Now you are all not raising hands. That means you don't want the. Okay. I got Jntuk I got your answer. Thank you. Jntuk I am asking Jntuk Raise your hands if you want the class. Raise your hands big because I can't see your image. Big.
Yeah.
Okay. Amazing. I'm truly amazed that you don't know if you want to raise your hands or not. Okay? You want the class or not, right? JNTV. You have question clear?
No, sir.
I know coordinator zero. Okay. JNTV said zero. So they don't want the class because there are no other colleges there. And JNT Kakila said yes. One. So they are tie-break. We are tie-break. So, do we have a coordinator in JNT Kakila? Okay, JNT, give me one good reason as to why you don't want to have the class.
Not interested.
I am assuming the faculty coordinator there. Give me one good reason why you do not want to have the class. Because you are supporting all the people in the fund. Or are you feeling sympathetic towards them? I don't have any problem. I can do the class all night long. But what is the reason why you do not want to have the class? By the way, your video is gone now. JNT Kakila, hold on a few seconds, okay? Be patient. Second, we class in the good meet together. We can have very internal deal with power problem. Okay? They have a power problem. Okay, understood? And they have a power problem. Okay. I cannot solve power problem. Okay. Madam and JNT Kakila మరి చక్రవర్తి గారు ఉన్నారు అక్కడ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో. I don't see him. చక్రవర్తి గారు లేరు. Students are enthusiastic. Okay. Students are very enthusiastic. But I'm sympathetic to JNTV. So this is what we will do. How about I spend about for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? I will show you what I was going to discuss. And here is an honor system, right? Both JNTV and JNT Kakila, and go back and review those slides because they are all programming examples. Okay? And then we will continue our discussion through the community. Does that sound right to everyone? Okay? So we'll do like that. So what I was going to teach you, next I am going to show you what I'm going to teach you and then I'll let you go. Fair enough? Okay. Let me go back to return and then I'm showing my PowerPoint. So basically I am going to teach you stack implementation using array. Okay? That was the main thing in this class. So I put the slides there. You can see the programming examples, very simple. I broke it down, review them, understand them. Okay? Secondly, I gave the code again, push, pop, and display. Okay? Some exercises there, and some exercises. And then, after we are done with that, I wanted to show you an example of how we use, where do we use the stack, right? I give you an example of reversing a list. So I gave you some example. Let's say if you list as 1, 2, 3, 4 null, then in the reverse it should be 4, 3, 2, 1 null. So I have a bunch of slides as to how to reverse a list. Okay? Then, at the end, I give you some exercises replacing the code. Okay. Then I am going to give you a take-home assignment. Okay. The take-home assignment was basically going to be, I did not write the take-home assignment. I am going to give you a take-home assignment as to how to do factorial calculation. Okay. That is what I am going to teach you. Everyone understand that? So I am going to stop the class. Okay. Then I am going to put this in the community. I will upload this file. So people who are there use this file, go through that. It's fun you should be able to answer them easily. Okay? Fair enough? Okay.
అరే ఏం పట్టినరా ఇప్పుడు కెమెరా ఉన్నా అటు చెప్పా కొంచెం నేను కూడా కనిపిస్తున్నాను.
Okay. No problem. So I'm just going to post it. If anyone has questions based on what we learned so far, I'll hang around. Otherwise, I will log off. Okay. So let me post the slide deck right now, and you can take a look at it. Okay. I'll be online still for the next few minutes while I post it. If anyone has any questions, put them in the chat. I will share my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. The class is not actually internal, when will we cover the material? Okay, I have to copy paste that material, so it will take me a little bit of time. Jntuk Moocs, okay. Okay, now I can post them. Start a new discussion. I don't know why I'm uploading. I'll cancel it. Wait it. Okay, I have to do some. Okay, upload a file in progress. You can review that. It is maths posted. Okay, so I posted the material, download it, review it. The programming examples, I asked you to trace them, do those exercises. So that way, by the time you come to the class next week, that is, when is it? Friday, right? By the time you come back Friday, you should be good at that. Okay, guys? Okay. Okay, I'm logging off now. If you have any questions, please email me. Okay?
క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగినారు కదా థ్యాంక్ యూ అని చెప్తే ఇమ్మని డిఎఫ్ఎన్ అంటే
నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి బాగానే ట్రై చేసినారు ఎప్పుడైనా తీసుకొచ్చారు కానీ
ఎవరో